What's up, guys? So the past couple days I've been using my Sabre, which I fixed because there's some metal pins broken in here, but I've been using it on 12 gram CO2s. It's been running fine. I've only put two 12 gram CO2s through it, so I want to test like a stress test on it. I'm going to use my big tank and the remote line in the magazine. I'll probably just shoot a few rounds. I'll do one magazine of Grimbergs and I'll breech load one, and I'll do one magazine of these and breech load one alien plays, and then I'll do one mag of this assorted nylon stuff. So I just want to see if it will hold pressure or if I get a bunch of weird stuff happening. So it's the same as before, as I had it in the other videos. The restrictors in the handle, it's been drilled out 1.0 millimeters, and I can't undo that unless I buy another Sabre and then put this stock restrictor back in here, because they don't sell parts or anything. So I'm going to air this up and I'll be right back. I forgot to mention it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It's probably 22 or 23 Celsius. This has about 400 grams of CO2 in it out of about 550. So it's about 80% full, 75%. It's probably closer to 80% full. So it's full capacity, not super hot today. So it should be doing like normal pressures. So I'm going to air it up and see if I have any weird stuff going on, like leaking and all that. So that little faint leak is there. It's pretty quiet, but it is there. So I'll be right back. Alright, I got the leak in the, sounds like it's kind of in the barrel. Must be the valve O-ring. 7.7 gram Joule V3s. 252. 260, 258, 258, 258, 260, 258. And I think I got one more shot. 258. So that's it. So it may just be my mag. Yeah, I think it's just my mag leaking a little bit. I think the seal in here has a little bit of a leak. So I'm gonna try loosening this a little bit and then retightening it and see what happens. All right, you guys, alien plays are in here. I'm gonna turn on my slide check and see if I get the leaking in again. It's a slight leak, so I'll have to look at the seal. It's probably not bad, it's not designed to be like this. 262, 260, it's the 7.2 gram alien play aluminum. 258, 260, 258, 258, 258, 256, and that's it. So I'm gonna load up some nylon balls and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, next magazine, these are 3.6 gram nylon balls. 338, 340, 336, 336, 336, 340, 338. I think that was it. 336. I think that's it. Yeah, that was it. So that was only 24 shots, but it's holding up. It's not like doing anything weird or farting or anything like that. So far it's good. I'm still going to keep the restrictor in there. I'll probably use this still with the Versus TR68 I just want to see if it's going to start acting dumb or whatever anytime soon. So I'm going to degas this with my slide check. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just pulling this part down. That's all the pressure out. I turn off my gas valve. There's still pressure in this line, so this is off. I can't turn this anymore to make it turn off, and I'm just releasing the pressure that's in the line. So this is all depressurized, and the marker's depressurized as well. So I feel like it's probably it's pretty quiet when I don't have it in the launcher and this has pressure in it, but it gets a little bit louder when I put pressure in the magazine and have it loaded up. So it's either that fill nipple or some other random the way that this is, one of these set screws might be leaking a little bit. I may try Tefloning it, or not Tefloning, blue thread locking it. It could be this thing, or it could be this part. And I do put grease and oil on this every once in a while. I'll probably do it again fairly soon. But as far as I can tell, this isn't damaged or anything. It doesn't look like weird, and like it looks fine to me. This seal, let me try to get it. You can see that red rubber seal in there. I don't know if my camera's focusing. That thing. So to me it looks fine. It is kind of pressed in, but yeah, I'll add some grease and oil to it. Maybe I can put a new seal in there. It might be that, actually, because it does look pressed, and like it's I don't leave it in the bag with pressure on it, but it does look kind of contoured to the way that gas line is. Let's see if I can get a better angle. So you can kind of see that red part is sort of contoured. So it may be just me turning it too hard, that airline thingy, pushing down on it too hard, but I'm just twisting it with my fingers. But this is normally supposed to have a 12 gram CO2 in there, and it's not as sharp of a contour as the airline. So I'll see if I can find some sort of weird flat rubber washer, because this is really similar to the FSC magazines, but they, as far as I know, they don't make parts like this for the FSC anymore. So I'll probably just have to rig something up. An O-ring won't work. I don't think it will. Probably some sort of weird like flat rubber washer might work in there. But yeah, I'll get to that eventually. I don't use this thing all the time, but my normal magazine that was brand new, it seems to be fine, and it doesn't leak or anything when I have the 12 gram CO2 in my brand new mag. So it might just be the wear and tear from this airline thing going into that and like pressing into it. Because yeah, this almost looks like a top of a 12 gram CO2. Like it's pretty blunt. It's not sharp. My my BB rifle or BB gun airline adapter like this, the end of it is pretty sharp. Like not sharp, but it's not blunt. It doesn't have a blunt edge like this. This has a pretty blunt edge. So yeah, I'll look into seeing if I can find some sort of flat washer for this, because that might be the issue. But anyways, that's it for this one. And I'll put joule readings and all that stuff. So it's working, and it didn't have any weird hiccups, and this is still cycling how it should. And you can see that metal thing in there. It's firing on all cylinders right now. So pretty happy. Sabre wouldn't help me fix that, but I fixed it myself. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time.